Big fish, yeah. Come over here with the net. Big fish. He's pulling. I know. Come, can you come get my other rod in here? Yeah, he's a big fish. Yeah, get the net.
Yeah. Back up a little. Come back a little.
Get that net. He's big. He's big, whatever it is. It's a bass. He's right in here. Oh, it's a big blue. It's a big blue.
Come on, I can't get down there. I can't get down there.
It's a big blue catfish. Fucking monster. Get him.
Oh, come over here. Come over here.
I can't. He's too big. Hold on. Right there. He's right there.
Ooh.
He's right there. Got him.
Oh, pick him up.
Get him. Got him. Oh. There it is. Let me get the headlight. Woo!
Pull him up. Stop that nigga over there. Oh my God. Show me him. Turn him out. Oh my God.
Hold on, let me see that light too. Let me see that light for a minute. Let me see if I go like that. Like this. That's a nice fish right there. Look at that thing. Let's get him back. Yeah.
We can keep him. We want that.
Let's get him back. I'm gonna get him back in the water. That's a nice fish. I gotta let this guy. Look at the size of that. Frog. All right. Let him get back in. Carp! I think it's a carp.
All right, hold on. Don't fight him.
No, I gotta fight him.
Let him go. Let him get dragged.
I know.
Let him get dragged.
I am.
Loosen up,
No.
You gotta loosen up.
No.
Loosen up your drag. Hello? Yeah, we on the water right now.
Yo, get ready. Put that phone down. Get ready. Come on,
there we go.
Yo, get ready. I'm gonna need you to net him for me.
Yeah, come on. Let him go. Stop fighting.
No, I know where to get. I'm getting him in when he's not.
Let drag out. Stop fighting him.
No, I know. That's him. I'm letting him pull. Wait, I'm letting him pull.
Yeah,
I don't.
Wait.
No, I don't want him to get in that shit though.
You got him. He's here.
I don't want him to get in.
Keep reeling.
Watch out.
Oh, go up.
Yeah, no, I know. I got him.
All right. Oh, yeah, he's going.
I know.
Film it.
I got it. Film it.
Let him go.
Come on with the phone. He's a big one.
He's going. Let him go.
He's big.
Tim, don't fight.
I'm not fighting. No, you reel him in when he stops. Believe me, I got this.
Oh, he's taking it. Yeah, reel up.
I know.
He's fighting me.
He's big.
He's fighting me. Oh, stop doing that.
No, this is.
Holy shit. Fight him. Yeah. Yeah, fight him. Holy shit. Where's he at?
He's there.
Let me get over here. Ooh, bow that rock. That's a blue. He's big. Football.
Here, hold my pole. I'm gonna grab him. Hold my pole.
Football blue.
Hold my pole. I'll get him.
You want him?
Yeah, hold my pole.
He's a blue. Big blue.
Don't go.
Go ahead. Big blue.
Woo!
Ooh.
Yeah.
You got him?
Got him.
Wait, what?
Let's get some of that.
Oh my God. Look at that. Let me put it in.
Here.
Get down there.
Take this. Hold this. Get some.
Yeah. Oh my God. How I do it? What I do?
Just hold it. You'll see. It's still filming. It's filming. Yeah. Can you see it good with that flashlight?
I can't see no light. I don't see no light.
No, you won't see it. Just yeah.
All right.
You'll see it after. All right.
Hold them up. Hold them up. Yeah, there we go. Oh my God. Big enough. Put that light back on.
That's just a taking a picture.
Take your phone back out, Ethan. Too. Get some video of your phone.
Turn them sideways, Timmy.
I will. I will. Get this one.
Set them up.
I will.
Set them up. Go sideways, bro.
I will.
Yeah, Tom, record. Yeah, put your hand in his mouth. There it is. There. I lost him. That's what I want right there. Right there, buddy. Look at me. Yeah, buddy. He's toad. That's a toad. Take the light off. That's a toad. You can't even hold him.
Hold on.
That's a toad.
Get him out of here. Yeah, he's good. He's good now.
He's right there.
He's out of here.
Come on, turn that shit off, Jack. This shit. It's the braid too.
I mean, the braid around the zipper. It's on me now. I'm trying to hold it. Look at that. I've never seen such a.
Shut the fuck up. Oh. I'm just trying to establish my shit right now. That's it. Yeah.
That's the biggest snake I've ever seen. I don't even know how that happened. Oh my God. Look at that shit.
I finally the light, bro. This shit is crazy. This shit crazy. Come on, look straight, nigga.
Where you want me to look? Right here?
Yeah, look right there. Oh my God. Oh, I dropped it. I dropped it.
We got the nighttime drunken lining of a pole.
Line on? Oh, we're live. Yeah,
I got it on here.
I'm tired of your shit. Somebody gotta take this.
No, you're to the wrong. Look, you're to the wrong one on that. You're to the other thing.
Oh. What the fuck? Nah, hold on. Let me show you how we do this.
I started this shit earlier when you were way off.
Let me show you how we do this.
Let's see here. I got something.
Yeah, let me show you how we do this. For the camera, can I do it? Oh my God! Oh my God!
It's just not
Oh my God! It's going where it wants. Wait, how come it's going that way though?
that shit was way off.
Oh God! Man. Oh.
Last one.
Oh, we got him.
There you go. Hold it one.
Oh, we got
Good.
him. Now we gotta fucking do the hook. With the fucking gas in the feed.
We got some nighttime drunken knot tying. That shit is bent like a motherfucker. Hold that hook up.
I fucking hate this kid. Let me see. Yo.
Hold that shit up. Let me see that shit.
That
Look at that shit. Look at that shit. That hook.
It's an offset hook though.
That shit's way off the air.
Gap. That shit is gap. Let me get a hook, bro.
Oh,
Let
that's
me
funny.
see that
That
shit.
shit's crazy. Look at that shit.
Yeah, oh nah, yeah.